I'm here to show you how to make a paper angel, a nice table decoration. And what you will need is a pair of scissors, the paper plate, and you will need to do this design. You will be cutting out this entire area, the grayed area. You will be doing a side slit from the angel's wing over, and you will cut all the way down in here. So, cutting off the shaded area, kind of give it a little bumpy, feathery look. And I'm going to cut down in here to give her a bit of a waist. Same thing on the other side. And you can bend your paper plate a little bit. It will bend up for you to be a little flatter area. Now I'm going to bring the angel up here a little bit, cut off some of this excess, get it out of my way. Give her a nice little hairdo here, a little flip. Same thing on the other side. Now, we're going to do this 2-inch cut in here. This will be how you're going to be slotting your wings together. And about a 2-inch cut this way. And what you're going to do is bring this around, kind of invert it. Cross it over so the wings will slot into each other, just like that. I would pre-draw your face or any decorations. If you have one of those fancy paper punches, you could take and put a little decoration in the front part of your paper plate. These are little butterflies. If you have stars, if you have sticker stars, you could put those on and decorate that up a little bit. You could also add this little flower or something decorative in the front. Thanks. Have a great day.